Hey guys, it's Nolan Harness with a YouTube video today. I'm going to a car meet today in Peoria, Arizona. I'm in my 2003 G35 6-speed manual. I love this car. It does need a little bit of love. I'll show that when I get to the car meet, but yeah, it's at 7 o'clock, so me and my girlfriend are going to dinner before the car meet, and then we'll be heading there, and I brought my drone, so should be able to get some cool shots, so stay tuned. I'm great at parking. G's looking pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna get the drone up right now, get some pretty cool shots.